Okay guys, I just want to make a quick video of where we stayed here in Balanga. This is a 3-bedroom industrial home. Okay, so this is the living room area. It does have Netflix and Wi-Fi, 50 Mbps I believe. There is the dining room area here. Let's see, washer, stove, all your basic kitchen necessities here. We got a refrigerator, utensils. Okay, so here's a different angle from the kitchen. Easily like 2 people per room here, guys. So is that industrial look. Let's go check out the this 1 bedroom here. All the bedrooms have AC, which is nice. Okay, looks like a double bed and storage area here. Let's go check out the CR. This is a common CR for the first 2 bedrooms that I'm showing you. Alright, so basic CR there. And then we have the 2nd bedroom. Another double bed looks like. Aircon, of course. And then this room has a lot of storage space here, guys. A lot of storage space. And here's the bed again. Alright, and so there's the ceiling. So now we're gonna check out the master bedroom. Okay, here's another look of the living room and dining area. Got some artwork here. Artwork here. Extra seating, and then there is the master bedroom, guys. Okay, so ceilings, high ceilings, all the way up. Okay, and storage here. Double bed again. You got an air conditioner, mirror. That's how the ceiling looks from this end. Let's check out the CR. Very industrial here. This has the pipes, industrial pipes. It looks like unfinished, but again, this is part of the look, I guess, of this Airbnb. So anyways, that's it, guys. It does have a front and backyard as well. Okay, and I think I showed you guys. There's the front there. Anyways, if you guys want to check out this Airbnb, I will put the Airbnb link on the video description below this video here, guys. It's about 45 minutes away from Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar, so that's what we're here for. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.